You know, when it comes to your kitchen floor, I personally prefer tile. So, Cheryl was talking to you about the different sizes that are available. And, you can take those different sizes and kind of work them to your advantage and create a nice pattern or design in your room. Now, if you have a really small kitchen, a good idea is to take actually a larger piece of tile, like an 18 or even a 24-inch, and what you want to do is turn it on the diagonal from where you would enter into the room, because you don't want to just have your plain squares meeting you. It just kind of looks very boring. Now, these are some 12-inch tiles, and I like this because we do have it set on a diagonal. Let's just say you are entering from your living room into your kitchen this way. You're going to be met with a diamond pattern. You can take that a step further and actually create little dots. You can actually buy the individual dots or create them yourself to put in the middle of this. Just remember, you are going to have more cuts to create this effect. You can also take a different color tile, like say the black, to accent here on the edge and create a border to go all the way around the perimeter of your room, and then start filling in with your field tiles. But again, if you do that, you set these on the diagonal, you're gonna have more cuts to create your effect. And obviously more cuts means more time, more waste, and if you're paying someone to do this, it might cost you a little more money. So you can see you've got many different options when it comes to designing and laying out your tile. Just use a little bit of street smarts, take your time, lay it out right, and you'll love it.